Dear sir, my name is Colonel Wan. I was born in Shanghai, east of China. Now, I would like to provide services as agent or interpreter for Canton Fair, also assisting a business in China. Canton Fair, interpreting and assisting. Before the German geographer, Mr. Ferdinand, named it as the Silk Road in 19th century. Mr. Zhang Qian from China, Han Dynasty, already studied the road to exchange silk and jade, etc. abroad more than 2,000 years ago, and lasted until today, both from land road and sea road. Now, China is launching a campaign for Silk Road economy called One Belt and One Road, or OBOR for short, which will boost the economy development along the ancient Silk Road by the land and also by the sea. Our Shanghai Taocheng International Trade Limited is committed to such task and will be assisting you in your business in China on the new economic situation. For importation, we will be assisting you in sourcing the most competitive suppliers in China and arranging business meeting directly with the makers or designers of the products or services you are looking for, and to translating and interpreting for you with those makers who do not speak oral English, which will make your cost less than other importers and make your products more comparable in your local market, and not only by lower cost, but also by creating new type of products, closely working together with China makers directly that are to be upgraded all the time in your market for quicker occupation of your market than others. For exportation products to China, we will be assisting you with our team by selecting senior managers who have rich experience in importing procedures, in brand promotion among Chinese consumers, and in selling important goods in China. Also setting up franchising for your products directly, and you will contact the China local distributors daily without any obstacles. For the new project development in your country, we will provide assistance for you with our government's new policy of One Belt and One Road, which will be beneficial for you finding the technology and cooperation. Which are vitally important for your new project in your country. We will provide services as below to your translation from English to Chinese and vice versa. Oral translation from business events, business trip guide across China, travel arrangements before entering in China, call to Chinese who do not speak English, contract and technical specification translation or drafted. Teach business Chinese if needed. Business strategy in China also advised. Be your agent for import or export from China. Thank you. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you are just in the time to select a Chinese translator or agent for your trip in China. Goodbye for now. Thanks.